guys, my name is SanJula Sharma. Welcome to Coffee with ID Supplies. I work here in business development team, and today I'm going to be introducing you to product knowledge, latest technology, all the buzz that's happening right now in identification and security industry. But without much further ado, let's go and see what the marketing team's up to. Come on, guys! Here we are, here's the marketing team. Do you want to tell us a bit more about what you're doing today?
So I'm Tristan, the marketing assistant here at ID Supplies. This is Heath, the marketing manager of ARA Products. And we're in charge of creating content for ID Supplies, such as like EDMs, content for the website, social media. Yeah.
Amazing. And what are you working on today?
So I'm going to be working on an EDM today. And Heath, what about you?
I'm going to work on strategies for ID Supplies and some of the other companies that I work for. Tristan basically does all the strategies.
Amazing. So that was Tristan and Heath from marketing. Now let's go upstairs and see what our sales team's up to. Alright, so let me introduce you now to our incredible sales team here at ID Supplies. First and foremost, let's start with the anchor of our sales team, the incredible boss lady and my personal favorite, Gayleen. She's our sales manager here. She's amazing at what she does, which is offering incredible customer service, handling those objections on the phone, flicking those orders on time, and of course training us from time to time. Isn't that all right?
Hi SanJula, and hi everybody. Just wanted to say a big hello to our customers as well as our future customers and let you know that we're here to help. So please give us a call.
Oh well, we will absolutely answer those calls. Thank you so much, Katie. Now let's go say hi to our senior account manager here at ID Supplies, and that's Kristen. Kristen is executing Uma Thurman vibes today, but you know what she's really good at? She's a pro saleswoman, a real asset to our team, and she really helps us manage those relationships offline and on-site. Kristen, thank you so much. You are incredible, and I can't wait to sit, right next to you, because together we smash the phones. Let's also say hi to our supplier manager, Mindy here. Mindy, hello. Mindy is amazing. Mindy's amazing at what she does, which is sourcing and ordering those print jobs. She also gives incredible product knowledge and send those info out on time. So thank you so much, Mindy. So now let's go say hi to our financial controller, John here. Hey, John. John's a very busy man. He's responsible for keeping our payments, accounts, and all financial activities absolutely seamless. So do you ever wonder how we offer remote service and how we offer that technical support over the phone? Well, let me show you the real deal of ID Supplies. Our technical manager here, Carl. Hey, say hi. Well, Carl's the man. When your printer will let you down, Carl won't. So give us a call and we'll be there for you. Oh, hey. How are you doing today?
Good.
Well, we need to just throw some questions at you. I'm fabulous, as you can see. So, Bill, first of all, where are you from?
I'm from Scotland.
Scotland. Love the Scottish accent, eh? So, Bill, are you the person concerned who looks after the shipment of our products and make sure the notifications goes on time?
Sure do. I pick, pack, dispatch, and receive.
Pick, pack, dispatch. Alright guys, that's us signing off. It's time for me to now make a smooth exit. But don't worry, don't fret. We'll be back next Friday with yet another entertaining and informative episode of Coffee with ID Supplies, where we talk about how you can stay safe in the times of COVID-19. So see you then and keep watching us. See you next Friday.